Okay, hello YouTube. Today, I got a package in the mail from, Arduboy Inc. The Arduboy was on sale on, April 1st for, buy one, get one half off, and, I'm just gonna open this up for the camera. I've never done something like this, so, bear with me. Looks like I don't even need this little tool. It's just gonna rip on open. Poorly. Okay, come on. This is embarrassing. There we go. Okay. So inside this little shipping bag, we have a little CD case type thing. It says Arduboy. You know, it has a bunch of cool little icons. I've never seen this box before. It's not on the website. Then here's a bunch of stuff on the back. You know, just your basic information. So now I'm gonna open up this little box. Okay. I've gotta cut that from both sides. And from the bottom. And I'm gonna slide that out. And here's this inside box. It says Arduboy. Back, basically nothing. Gonna slide that open. And here it is. The Arduboy. It comes with this cool little cable. You know, micro USB on one side, and I think this is just regular USB-A, just without the metal casing. That's interesting. You see some cool little sprites in there. Just fell out. On the other flap, it's just a couple of instructions. So I'm going to, here's the Arduboy. The, you know, it's a bit smaller than I expected, actually. But here it is. Here's the top. You know, there's a little switch. I believe that's for power. And the back is just shiny metal, made in China. Couple of regular Phillips screws, which is nice if I ever want to take it apart. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel this plastic off now. And I wonder if it ships charged. So let's flip the switch. Oh, yep. There's Team Arc. And Siren is the game that comes loaded on it. The buttons are very nice. You know, they have a nice response to them. If you like pad your thumb over it, it does have a good D-pad feel. You know, A and B are nice and clicky. Ooh, there's little sounds. Just gonna play a little bit of this. Okay, and it pause. And yeah, that's the Arduboy. Thank you.